Welcome back. In this tutorial, we are exploring the ScrollView component in React Native. ScrollView is essential for when you have a content that doesn't fit on the screen. It allows users to scroll through a set of components that extend beyond the limits of the viewable area. Type in ScrollView and make sure to close the tag at the end. Add a text component to this. Now inside our scroll view, we will start adding text components. Each text component will represent an item in our scrollable list. Let's add more components. Continue adding text components for each item you want in the list. You can add a height. And there we have it, a simple scrollable list within our React Native application. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.